As hospitals administrators, you can manage the users and courses in Hxplain and view reports that provide insights into your organization's learning progress. You have the flexibility to view information as an admin of a group of hospitals or narrowed down to a specific hospital in your group. Your users' demographic details and enrolled courses can be viewed in Manage Users view. As an organization's admin, you can view the courses that are part of your organization's annual curriculum. You can attempt the assessments, watch the training videos, and try the interactive learning games. This will give you a feel of what the learners experience, and you can view detailed information on how your learners are progressing. As an org admin, you can view reports on how your staff's learning is progressing. Some reports provide high-level information like total number of users, courses, and progress statistics, while more detailed reports provide information at a user and course level, percentage completion, overdue indicator, pre- and post-assessment scores. This will enable you to focus on users and courses that require your attention. All reports can be downloaded in an Excel CSV format for further processing. The application provides you the convenience of switching your role as a learner and viewing courses that have been assigned to you for your own learning progress. For any queries and support, you can reach out to Hxplain support. Happy learning and tracking your organization's learning progress with Hxplain.